Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create case assignment rules in Salesforce quickly and easily, plus a few best practices to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the dropdown, select Advanced Setup. Next, use the Quick Find box and type Case Assignment Rules. Click on it under the Service section to view or create rules. After that, click New to create a rule. Give it a clear name like Default Assignment Rule and check the active box if you want it to start working right away. Then click the rule name to begin adding rule entries. Now, click New under Rule Entries. Start by setting the sort order. Lower numbers get evaluated first, so put your most specific rules at the top. Then define your criteria like case origin equals email or priority equals high. Assign the case to a user or queue. Queues are great for balancing workloads across teams. To complete, click Save. Your rule is now active and will automatically route cases based on your criteria. And that's it. You've just created a case assignment rule in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.